We stand on the prayer mat, hearts ready to connect with our Creator. But something happens. Our minds wander. Thoughts intrude. This is Shaytan, our enemy, trying to steal our focus. He whispers doubts. He reminds us of worldly worries. He wants us to rush through our prayers, to feel nothing but boredom and routine. This is a silent battle, fought on the ground of our own hearts. But we are not powerless. We have weapons against this enemy. It's important to understand, this is not just you. Every Muslim experiences this struggle. Shaytan doesn't want us to find peace in our prayers. He wants us distracted, disconnected, and ultimately defeated. But we have the ultimate weapon against him: sincere dua, supplication. Allah, SWT, is closer to us than our own jugular vein. He hears every whisper of our hearts, and he has given us a way to seek his protection from Shaytan's whispers. Imagine offering a gift to someone you love. You wouldn't give them something broken, dusty, and unwanted. Salah is a gift we offer to Allah, SWT. It's a time when we stand before him, bare and open. But when our minds are distracted, our prayers become like that unwanted gift. We offer Allah, SWT, something incomplete, something we haven't even put our hearts into. This is why staying focused in prayer is so important. It's about giving Allah, SWT, our full attention, our complete presence. It's about making our prayers a true conversation with our Creator. Every word, every movement in Salah has meaning. When we understand this meaning, our prayers transform. They become a source of peace and solace. We start to feel the sweetness of connecting with Allah, SWT, and that is exactly what Shaytan wants to prevent. He knows the power of a heart connected to its Creator, so he fights to distract us, to keep us from experiencing that sweetness. But remember, Allah, SWT, is the most merciful. He knows our struggles, and he has provided us with countless ways to strengthen our connection with him. One of the most powerful tools is dua. Dua is the essence of worship. It is acknowledging our need for Allah, SWT. It's about turning to him with humility and hope, knowing that he hears us and responds. And there's a specific dua that acts as a shield against Shaytan's whispers, especially during Salah. This dua is not just a collection of words, it's a conversation with the divine. It's about seeking refuge in the one who has power over all things, including the whispers of Shaytan. By reciting this dua, we acknowledge our weakness and seek Allah's strength to overcome the challenges we face in prayer. We are essentially asking Allah, SWT, to protect our hearts and minds, to help us stay present and focused during our Salah. Section 4. The Dua, your shield against whispers. Here is the dua, a powerful shield against distractions. This short yet profound dua carries immense weight. By uttering these words, we declare our dependence on Allah, SWT. We are saying that we cannot fight this battle alone. We need his help to silence the whispers, to clear the clutter in our minds, and to focus on the true purpose of our prayer. Recite this dua before you begin your Salah. Repeat it whenever you feel your mind wandering. Let it be a constant reminder that you are not alone in this struggle. Allah, SWT, is with you, and he will answer your call for help. Section 5. The significance, hadiths and Quranic verses. The importance of seeking refuge from Shaytan is emphasized throughout the Quran and hadith. In Surah An-Nas 114:6, Allah, SWT, says, this verse reminds us that Shaytan never stops whispering. He wants to distract us from our purpose, to lead us astray. But we have the power to fight back. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also taught us to seek refuge from Shaytan. He said, if any one of you experiences this, let him prostrate twice while sitting. Sahih al-Bukhari 757. This hadith highlights the reality of Shaytan's attempts to disrupt our prayers. It also provides a practical solution, making 2 prostrations while sitting if we lose count or become distracted. This act helps us regain our focus and continue our prayer with renewed intention. Section 6. Winning the internal struggle. Incorporating this dua into our prayers is only the first step. There are practical things we can do to strengthen our focus and win this internal battle against distraction. Before you stand to pray, take a few moments to disconnect from worldly affairs. Make wudu with mindfulness, thinking about the purification it represents. Clear your mind and set an intention to make this prayer your best. Choose a place where you won't be easily disturbed. Minimize distractions by silencing your phone and letting your family know you need a few moments of peace. Take the time to learn the meaning of the Arabic words in your prayers. When you understand what you're saying, your heart will be more engaged. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the prayer. Focus on the words you're reciting, the movements you're making, and the feeling of standing before your Creator. It takes time and practice to overcome distractions. Don't be discouraged if your mind still wanders. Keep striving, keep seeking refuge in Allah, SWT, and know that He sees your efforts and appreciates your sincerity. Remember, our Salah is a precious gift, a time for us to connect with the divine. Let us strive to make it a gift worthy of our Creator, a testament to our love and devotion.